Hello teacher. In this video, I will answer the question what really matters in life. To explain this, I will use the information from the beginning of Steve Jobs. This video shows that Steve Jobs faced many changes in his life. He was adapted the ropes of the college, and later he was fired from Apple, the company he created. However, he never gave up his teachers. That perseverance and learning from failures are important in life. This video also highlights that Steve just always this passion for technology and design. He believed that doing what you love gives your life purpose. As he said in one of the speeches, the only way to the great world is to love that you do. Another important idea in the video is that life is short, so we must use our time wisely. Just reigns us to live authentically and not let others control our decision. In conclusion, the biography of Steve showed that what really matters in life is following your passion, learning from your mistakes, staying true to yourself, and valuing your time. Thank you, teacher, very much.